Saan naabot ang 1,488 pesos mo? Dahil naglabas na ng new buffet concept ang Vikings Group na may buffet, unlimited beer, Korean and Japanese barbecue grill, and more. Dito lang yan sa V-Pop Live sa Ayala Malls by the Bay, ASEAN City, and in operation sila from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. only. Plus, naka 25% off sila hanggang July 31 lang. Down to 1,116 pesos lang siya again until July 31 lang yan. Nalula ako sa food selections from appetizers to mains, drinks, at desserts na sakop nila. I must say, and personally, mas premium and quality ang food offering dito than Vikings na na-experience ko, and among sa mga nakuha kong food, yung pistachio ice cream lang yung may masasay ako. But the rest were good if not more than average. I had this feeling na mas pinag-isipan and conceptualized ang theme nito. Bukod sa mga limited offerings nila, may mga live performers sila na natugtog sa harap mo and habang nakain ka, both musically and artistically. They can also accommodate groups na prefer ang private rooms. Meron sila up to 50 packs and maximum of 100 packs, 2 rooms na yon. Kung gusto mo naman ng medyo senti ka, may bar din sila and ang ganda ng CR and malinis. They can also accommodate advance reservations, so dito lang lahat yan sa V-Pop Live ground floor sa Ayala Malls Building A sa May Marugame exit.